Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see Salesforce Agentforce agent in Slack. If you are using Slack as your enterprise messaging, and then if you want to integrate Salesforce Agentforce, then you have to complete all the steps that are shared in this article. I will share this in the video description. You should be able to get my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the link to this. Let's see the steps in high level. The first step is we have to create Agentforce service agent in your Salesforce org. So we have to go to Salesforce setup. We have to create Salesforce agent, and then you should activate it. The next step is in this link, you will get Slack platform connector to Salesforce package. You have to install this in your Salesforce org. So in this article, you will get the installation link. From that, you should be able to install the package. Next, you should be a workspace admin in your Slack so that you can access manage Salesforce organizations. Once you go there, you should be able to add your Salesforce org to the Slack, and then you will be able to authorize it. The next step is you should be linking your Salesforce Agentforce agent with Slack. In order to do that, in the Slack, in the Salesforce Slack Agentforce agent, you will be able to add the connection using API as the connection type. In the integration name, you can give any name. In the connected app, you have to select the Slack connected app. This connected app will be available as part of the installation which we have done in step number 2. Once this is done, quit your Slack app, reopen it. It will ask for authentication. Complete the authentication. Next, you will be able to see that you can manage your Agentforce agent. If you go to your Slack app, you will be able to see the agents. I have added some troubleshooting steps. I will try to keep this updated if I run into any issues so that it will be helpful for you. In this demo, I have 2 Salesforce orgs. I have added Slack to this service org. I have installed the package, and this is my service agent. I have added the Slack connected app in the connections. So now my service FAQ agent is linked to Slack. All good. Same thing I have done it for another org, which is my sales org. I have installed the managed package here. I am making use of agent called sales FAQ agent. In the connection, I have added the Slack app. So you have to click add, you have to select API, you have to search for Slack so that you will be able to select the connected app which was installed as part of the package installation. Okay, now everything is set. I was able to add my users to the Salesforce org and as well as to the Slack workspace. So if I go here, if I select manage Salesforce organizations, I should be able to see 2 orgs. One is sales org and the other one is service org. In the Agentforce, initially it will list all the available agents here. You have to click review agent so that it will be installed in your Slack workspace. So I have installed 2 Agentforce agents from 2 different Salesforce orgs. Okay, now this setup is also done. I am making use of answer with knowledge questions standard action. So let's test that. So for example, this is my sales org. So I have to go open Agentforce. I have to go to Sales FAQ agent, and then I can ask this. Let's test this. So now Slack is connecting to my Agentforce agent, Sales FAQ agent. In my agent, I have configured answer question with knowledge standard action. So this will go fetch the knowledge and then it should display it. So if you want to have multiple Agentforce agents from multiple Salesforce org in one place, then you can integrate easily with Slack. As I told earlier, please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. You can use my blog post as a reference and then you should be able to do this integration. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.